Hello everyone, another day, another vlog guys. Look at that rose. Mercedes just finished the rain everyone. Maghapon umulan, kala mo may bagyo. Kaya tuloy ako may kaputi, payong, may boots, rain boots. Tignan niyo yung ulap guys, oh. Talagang matyagang ulap na yan. Oh. Itim na itim, oh. Brown na browny, gray. Mahangin pa. Yep. Next week, start for the summer. But ewan ko, I think mostly we'll keep rain. I don't know why. Ang bango. Ang bango yan, bulaklak yan, oh. Ayun, oh, bulaklak yun. Mabango yan. Parang smell sampagita. Opo. Ayan. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. Ayan, oh. Yun, oh. Green na green. Green na green ang ating makikita ngayon. Wala nang snow, wala nang white, it's all green. It's roses month. It's roses month guys. Ayun, oh. Mabango yan. Ito, mabango yan. Andun pa, oh. Mabango yan. Bicyclette is electric bicyclette. Libang tayo dito sa middle of nowhere. Diba? Ayan ang rose guys, oh. Oh, naglalaglagan na. Umulan kasi, maangin kanina. Kala mo may bagyo. Ayan, oh, roses.